uh, uh, Today, I'm sorry for that intro. I'm not gonna redo that. Today we are playing Earthquake IO. I'm probably gonna get big quick, cause I'm good at the game sometimes. I really enjoy this game, and I'm happy that I decided to add this game onto this channel, cause it's actually very fun. Not that hard to play. Ooh, parking lot. Another funny thing is, I'm sorry about that intro. I honestly don't know why I actually did that. Ooh, yes, all the solar panels. Yeah! 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 Get all these. Ooh. I was that close to dying. "14 seconds. 6. I'm done. It, 'Come on, I need, like, good stuff, like... What is the neighborhoods? Because that's where I can find, like, all the fences. I'm pretty yeah, this is a poop round. I think. Wait. Oh! I didn't even see this little place over here. Oh, shoot. Destroy China's arch. I don't got that many minutes left. I'm dead. I'm done. I'm dead. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I knew it. I was gonna get 11th place. Definitely.
Are you stressed out?
Ad. I don't like them. Them. Sorry. Ah. Sheesh. I'm like tackling another earthquake when I did that. Yes! Fence! Fence! Eat that fence! Yes! Yes! Doing good! Woo! Woo! Gotta get all those panels. Doing good. This is a good round. This is a fantastic round. Sorry. How am I in second? I don't know. So I did do look good. Okay, this would be my last one. And then I'm going to quickly end this video. Well, not quickly, but I am going to end this video. I got stuck for some weird reason. Woo, we got plenty of time to get all these. I'm in first place right now. Yes. Woohoo! It's like building after building saying goodbye. And I'm in first place. I'm on. So not good.
Check out tonight's forecast.
The current weather is 79 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 59 degrees.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to do the same as always. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. See you next time.